Hi all, great to have you for another video, and in this video I'll just be going over a Creativefabrica update. It has been a while since I've done a video on Creativefabrica, so I just wanted to share my thoughts and the progress that I've made so far. So check out this video. Just before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then I do cover Amazon KDP content and also other ways of making income online, such as Creativefabrica. And if you do want more information on that, then I do have a playlist which includes how to get your own shop and income reports also, so you can check out my journey so far. So let's get straight into it. Now, for uploading 300 designs in the past 8 to 9 months, I have a total earnings of $635.09, and I'm pleased with this as this has been a consistent income stream for me. Creativefabrica pays out within 7 days, so I do get quick access to my earnings. Now, in the past 4 to 5 months, I have not been uploading as much, and if you check out my last video a few months ago, I had about 250 designs, so I have only uploaded roughly 50 designs since then, and I have seen a decrease in my sales. So you do need to be consistently uploading on Creativefabrica to kind of maintain your earnings. But now let's take a look at my incomes from the previous months also. So since my last video, which was done in June, let's take a look at the July income. So I earned a total of $125.60. Now this was also boosted by affiliate marketing, and it roughly earned me $25-30 for that month. And then for the next month of August, I earned $115.89, and then for the month of September I earned $75.22. So you can see how the amounts have decreased as I have been uploading a lot less. Maybe I got a little bit content and I thought I'd be earning over $100 each month, but it just shows that you do have to be consistent with this platform. But there are just so many different ways to make money on Creativefabrica, and I'll do a video on that later this month. So you're probably wondering what has been working for me, and in my last video I did mention digital papers, coloring pages, planners and bundles. However, now I would say I've been seeing more downloads and favorites from still coloring pages, but with activity pages and SVGs. So I'm really trying to narrow down on what is getting kind of consistent downloads and favorites for me and creating much more of that. And then finally, my plans going forward are to just simply assess my progress after 1 year. So I will do a video on that. I think I started Creativefabrica February this year, so I will do a video on that next year. I hope to be earning at least $100 to $200 a month from Creativefabrica. That's kind of my target and where I'm happy with. I'm just going to keep focus on uploading quality designs and then doing more affiliate marketing, so you will be seeing more Creativefabrica videos. Now, I hope this video has been helpful. If you do have any questions, then just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.